Foundation repair with modern technology is way cooler and smarter than you probably think, using stuff like hydraulic piers, carbon fiber reinforcement, epoxy injections, and laser leveling tools to fix problems that used to be a total nightmare. So, here's the deal. If your foundation is acting up, hydraulic piers are like these heavy-duty metal posts. They drive deep into the ground to hold up your house solidly, especially if the soil is all over the place. Then, carbon fiber reinforcement is this super strong, flexible material they can stick onto walls to stop cracks from getting worse without tearing everything apart. Epoxy injections are pretty slick too. They fill in cracks with this special glue-like resin that hardens and seals everything tight, which helps keep water and pests out. And laser leveling tools? They make sure everything gets fixed perfectly level because even a tiny tilt can mess things up big time later on. If you're dealing with foundation issues, getting someone who knows how to use these tools right can save you tons of stress and cash down the road. Plus, always get a solid inspection first to know exactly what tech fits your problem. Don't just go with the cheapest fix. Sometimes it pays off to do it right the first time. Keep an eye out for contractors who actually explain these technologies clearly instead of confusing you with jargon. One of the biggest mistakes people make with foundation repair is ignoring small cracks until they turn into huge headaches. Fixing cracks early with epoxy injections can save you from way bigger costs later. Another common issue is settling for old-fashioned repairs when modern solutions like hydraulic piers or carbon fiber reinforcements would be way more effective and less invasive. Finally, a lot of folks don't get proper leveling done, which means the foundation might still shift after the repair. Using laser leveling tools ensures everything's straight and stable so the problem doesn't come back. The fix? Act fast on cracks, ask about modern tech options before starting repairs, and always insist on precise leveling. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff, making it way easier to find someone legit for your foundation, repair, or any other big home job. It also helps contractors get reliable work by matching them with people who need their skills, so everyone wins and your home gets fixed right without the usual hassle.